Hi everybody, this is Share back another day with another unboxing. And this time I'm really curious. I did some shopping at Deux, as I usually do. Bought some new t-shirts and I saw that they had a Christmas calendar. Have a very Merry Christmas. And it really got me curious. I think this is the first time in my adult life that I bought myself a calendar. And I wouldn't normally buy a calendar because I'm really picky with the things that I buy, but I highly recommend Let Do in general. So if I can buy something for half price, of course I'm going to do it. The value of these items here are over 310 euro, and you pay 150 euro to get it. And another thing that would make me not buy secret things is that I don't wear black at all, but it says that it's one size fits all, so maybe it's a cap or something, I don't know, let's see. And that the colors are dark navy and ivory, which are my favorite colors. So yeah, depending on when you see it, Merry Christmas. Really boring that I open it all at the same time before Christmas, like a month before. But I do this for you, and I think you should get yourself this anyway. So let's change the camera angle.
Funky.
Since I'm guessing you will buy this as a gift for someone else, this is what you get. Always when you buy something from Ledoux, you get some kind of candy, high quality, really nice candy. Stickers is a new thing, and here we have a card. Have a very Merry Christmas. So let's start off with the first one. So for the first advent, we get Miss. I don't know what the English word is, but I expected something like this. Looks nice. I like the colors. Cap, winter cap, is that what it's called? Beanie. So I expected something like this. I like this one. I like it that it has some speckles of paint in it. I think you can see that. So yeah, that was the first one. Now to the second Sunday, second Advent. And on the second Advent, we will get... All right, yes, I like this one. I really like this one. This is their thermos water bottle. Yeah, this is a really nice one. Perfect in size and yeah, good. Looks really high-end quality. Yeah, good, very good. On to the third one. So the third Sunday, I haven't checked if the fourth Sunday is on Christmas, but whenever it is, you open, I don't know actually. You open them on every Advent, so yeah. And here we, oh, nice. Nice. Very good Christmas gifts. Wool scarf. And they have put a note over the price, so the person that will receive it as a gift won't see the price. But yes, this is absolutely nice. Soft, big. I will put them all on in the end and show you. And for the fourth one, I would guess gloves, but gloves, according to me, ain't one size fits all. So I don't think, and it is It is a bit thicker than the other packages, even though they're all in the same size. So let's see what we get on Christmas Eve, I'm guessing. Oh, a toilet bag. That was nice. Yes, a leather toilet bag. Really cool. Okay, so it was black, but when it comes to accessories, I don't care at all. Leather toilet bag. Smells like real leather. Really nice. Absolutely well worth the money. Absolutely. And you can, I've been thinking of that sometimes. You can wear it as a EDC bag, as a daily bag like this. No shame at all in that. This is nice. Really nice leather. It absolutely smells nice. So yeah, whoever gets this will absolutely be glad and warm and comfortable and happy and thankful. This was absolutely 4 nice gifts. So even if you buy them for yourself or as a gift to someone, you will absolutely be happy with this. So let's show what it looks like on. And this is what it looks like. Not to mess with the sound, I won't put it around me, but I will wear the scarf double around. So yeah, just as it should be in a calendar, it gets better for every gift. So have something warm with you to drink, hot chocolate, a nice, good-looking beanie, scarves, and the leather toilet bag. Really, really nice. So whoever, if you buy them for yourself, you will be happy, and if you buy them as a gift for someone, they will absolutely be thankful and surprised and happy. And all of this for 150 euro. This is, I'm guessing this costs more than that normally. So yeah, super nice. If you have any questions, just ask me, let me know. And I, as always, highly recommend Deux with everything, the quality, the sizing, the fitting, the customer care, and everything. And with the one of the t-shirts that I bought now, I bought it just because it says Copenhagen. I want to show, because all the other ones have used this logo. So the other one of them that I bought now says Deux in the full name and Copenhagen, because I want to show, I want to be proud that we have a Nordic brand that is really good. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.